Hello and welcome to Desi Martini. My name is Sandeep and right now I have with me the very handsome Mr. Ankur Bhatia. Hello Ankur, how are you doing today?
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm great here. I'm great. I'm here in New York, so it's just early morning. Just woken up
Exactly,
to speak
exactly.
with you.
Firstly, you've got to tell me whether you actually spent the entire lockdown in New York or you came back to Bombay and you stayed here and you kind of, felt the entire vibe out here and then you left.
No, yeah, actually, I finished shooting Aarya on March 1st, and because my family is here, so I came back and I came for 3 or 4 weeks, and then I was supposed to go back to Bombay for dubbing Aarya, and and then they stopped the flight while I was here, and so since then I've been here. They very recently started the flights, and now work has started to begun. So I'm hoping in the next few weeks I'll be back in Bombay. But I've been
Right.
here in the house in New York.
मतलब घर में क्वारंटीन.
घर में यार यहाँ पे ऐसा कभी लॉकडाउन तो हुआ ही नहीं शुरू से सो अपने आप ही लोग क्वारंटाइन हो गए थे घर में कि ना निकले तो अच्छा है तो अभी भी बॉम्बे में तो फिर भी काम वाम चालू हो गया है यहाँ पे अभी भी उतने हिसाब से बाहर नहीं चालू हुआ है
Right. Or how is the entire vibe out there? As in, like, is it quite similar to what it is over here in Bombay? Or it's very different?
यार व्हेन जब मैं आया था एक्चुअली मार्च में तब तो यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज्यादा स्केरी सिनेरियो था बिकॉज न्यूयॉर्क वाज द एपिसेंटर ऑफ दिस थिंग सो लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर गेटिंग सिक एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर डाइंग सो उस टाइम पे तो काफी सीरियस हो गया था यहाँ पे एंड द नंबर्स वर एट द पीक तो अब जाके थोड़ा सा सिचुएशन नॉर्मलाइज हो गई है जो फरवरी मार्च में नंबर्स थे आई थिंक वो हो गए हैं वापस सो but it's the same thing, yeah. It's the same people. Certain people are scared, certain people are not scared. बाहर
Hmm.
जाओगे कुछ लोग आपको इंडिया में भी दिखेंगे बिना मास्क के वो यहाँ पे भी दिखेंगे बाकी सब कुछ सेम ही है आई थिंक किसी को
Right.
ज्यादा कुछ पता नहीं कि क्या हो रहा है
You've got to tell me, you have been in the industry for a very long time. Firstly, what exactly, do you think is the reason behind? Obviously it's your personal choice, but then इतना low key क्यों रखा है? And there is based hardly, barely any promotions as far as you are concerned, or perhaps.
यार मैं इंटेंशनली लोकी नहीं हूँ यू नो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द प्रोजेक्ट टू प्रोजेक्ट बेसिस ऑल्सो अब जब मैं मूवी कर रहा होता हूँ तब पीआर एक्सरसाइजेस होती हैं और यू आर आउट देयर और मूवी आ रही होती है अब कई चीजें डिपेंड करती हैं जब प्रोजेक्ट नहीं निकल रहे होते तब यू नो आई डोंट find that many things to talk about at that point of time and part of the game is also PR is also not that interested in they're more excited when some project is coming out like you will only interview actors when certain things are coming
Maybe
out
हमेशा
otherwise
ऐसा
you
नहीं होता.
also don't you know
Come on.
yeah mostly ऐसा ही होता है यार मेरे को भी 10 साल हो गए
हाँ, पर बहुत प्रॉपर जर्नलिस्ट ऐसे हैं जो एक्टर्स के साथ बात करना पसंद करते हैं और जानना पसंद करते हैं क्या.
हाँ सो आप जब उनके साथ बात करते हो तो वो कहीं कहीं आता है पर जनरली पीआर एक्सरसाइजेस तभी होती हैं जर्नलिस्ट तभी बात करना चाहते हैं जब कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा होता है जब उनको कोई इंटरेस्टिंग बाइट मिल रही होती है जब मूवी में और भी बड़े स्टार्स होते हैं सो यू नो टेक्निकली एक्टर के लिए तो हमेशा ही पीआर के लिए वो ओपन रहता है शेयर करना चाहता है चीजें बट इट जस्ट डिपेंड्स ऑन कि वो पब्लिश भी होनी चाहिए ना सो कितने सारे मैं आर्टिकल्स देता हूँ जो आते ही नहीं है बट it's with everyone so it's not like I keep in low key but it's just that it happens that way कि जब प्रोजेक्ट हो रहे होते हैं तब अभी आर्या हुआ है तो I've had these gamut of
हाँ.
interviews lately so वो प्रोजेक्ट होते जाते हैं तो and I've been a little choosy after Hasina Parker I've done 3 films which actually didn't came out so for me also I'm not from the industry so it's a learning experience after every movie after every project I do it just depends on I'm also learning on the way पहले इतना ज्यादा सोशल मीडिया
हाँ.
नहीं था आउट देयर अब आजकल कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया सो एक मैंडेटरी वो भी हो गया कि यू हैव टू बी आउट देयर एंड आई एम नॉट आई मीन I'm also learning a little bit towards drifting that extrovert nature of the business but certain things I like to keep low key my mother was suffering from cancer for the last 4-5 years
Okay.
so अभी कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि आपका नहीं मन करता डिस्कस करने का वो चीज किसी का you just want to talk about work do your work go back home and deal with your own problems everybody has their own problems right So yeah.
Right. Ankur, as you said, 10 साल हो गया industry. But then, as far as your roles are concerned,
Yeah.
जो भी films में you have been a part of, for instance, Sarabjit होता है, अभी आर्या में you had I mean, quite a meaty role. Hasina Parkar, again, most of the characters, you have a very brief screen time. I mean, do you feel to a certain extent? I mean, I need to know what is the reason behind that? कितने छोटे छोटे screen times है हमारे roles के लिए और even though at times वो जो characters होते हैं in which you are a part, they become the fulcrum of the film. And that later on carries forward the action in the entire film. But
Sure.
barring that, as far as your screen time is concerned, films में इतना कम क्यों होता है?
यार इतना बेसिकली वो चॉइस तो मैं बना नहीं सकता कि स्क्रीन टाइम कितना होगा, वो तो फिल्म मेकर के ऊपर रहता है, राइट? मैं एक रीजन उसका ये भी है कि सी हर एक्टर अलग तरीके से आता है इंडस्ट्री में, राइट? किसी को लॉन्च मिलता है, वो डेब्यू करता है एक बड़ी फिल्म में, तो उसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वहां से चालू होता है। मेरा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मैं 29 की एज में इंडस्ट्री में आया था, जब मेरा कोई फिल्म का बैकग्राउंड नहीं था, राइट? तो मैंने थोड़ी बहुत शॉर्ट फिल्म्स की थी, एक आध साल की अपनी जितनी इंडिपेंडेंट सिनेमा कर सकता था किया था। उसके बाद में जब मूवीज में आया था तो मेरे मेरे पास एक्चुअली कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी थी नहीं, सिवाय पहली अपॉर्चुनिटी जंजीर की आई थी, जिसमें अगर आप एक्चुअली देखें तो वो पार्ट बिल्कुल ही नेग्लिजिबल था। ऐसे और भी 10 पार्ट होंगे जंजीर में जो आपको पता भी नहीं होंगे कि वो एग्जिस्ट करते थे, बट आई स्टूड आउट इन वॉट एवर स्मॉल कैपेसिटी आई वॉज। उसकी वजह से सरबजीत हुई, यू नो, कि वो करते करते पर सरबजीत में बिकॉज इट वॉज अ स्मॉल पार्ट 2-2.5 साल लग गए, यू नो, बिकॉज सी what happens is industry also, nobody will put in money on you unless and until you are equipped with all this qualities that are needed to be an actor. So you know, part of it is कि मुझे 4-5 साल तो सीखने में भी लग गए, you know, बताने में भी लग गए कि हाँ मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, you know, you have to gain trust also. So जंजीर के बाद I gained a little trust, सरबजीत के बाद a little more trust, but you know I can't change the graph of the character. It was not like कि मेरे पास choice थी बैंड बाजा बारात करने की और मैंने वो छोड़ के सरबजीत कर, you know,
हाँ
जो
हाँ
मिलेगा वही करेंगे ना। आप भी अगर बाहर से हो तो आपको जिस जो ऑफर होगा आप उसी में से चूज कर सकते हो ना बेस्ट। तो
बिल्कुल
अगर
बिल्कुल
ऑफर ही वही हो रहा है तो अब जाके यू नो एक्चुअली मैंने जितने भी मूवीज करी हैं, इवन हसीना पार्कर वाज अ बिग मूवी, ब्रीफ रोल, बट स्टिल आई हैड अ सॉन्ग विद अरिजीत सिंह एंड ऑल, इट वाज नॉट प्रमोटेड दैट वेल, मूवी डिडंट फेयर दैट वेल। सो उसके बाद का वो स्ट्रगल फिर वापस चालू हो जाता है बिकॉज यू नो योर मूवी डिडंट डू वेल। सो आर्या बिकेम अ हिट, इट बिकेम अ मैसिव हिट in terms of OTT. Suddenly everything is changed, you know. So you have to prove it, and for me I think that has been a struggle to prove that I can act and I can do various kind of roles, and slowly you know people have noticed that, industry people have noticed that, and so now every time, see, I look at it as this way कि जो last year मैं कर रहा था उससे ज्यादा ही अच्छा हो रहा है ना आगे। So if you see, if my filmography also, it has been bigger and better. It has not been कि अच्छा पिछले साल इसने वो करा था आज ये बेकार काम किया, you know. It's going in a graph and it takes time, yeah. It's not like कि I have my dad who's putting in money in the movies, you know, कि नहीं इसको यही रोल करना है।
you know you've told me, I mean, whatever you've just said was absolutely right, for a fact, especially if a person is a newbie and he's coming in the industry for the first time, and obviously things are
Yeah,
not
and
good.
actually I'll tell you a fact that I landed up in Bombay for the first time when I was 29.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
I've never been to Bombay before that, and I landed up with, I had absolutely no contacts in the industry. I didn't know anybody in the industry, and so I had started my way from there when, and you know, Bombay is a, it's a different culture. If you go any part in India and go to Bombay, it's a separate thing. You have to start learning from the scratch. The housing is a problem. You have to get acquainted with everything. आप हर चीज में एक initial आपको वो धचका लगता है because Bombay is so fast paced. The way industry works is, it's very मैग्नानिमस। इट्स
Yes, yes.
यू नो, आपको कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स का भी मालूम होना चाहिए, आपको पता चाहिए कि कौन सी मूवी चल रही है, वो राइट टाइम राइट प्लेस भी आ जाएगा। उसमें आपको 100 लोग ऐसे भी मिलेंगे जो इधर उधर की चीजें बोलेंगे पर वो कभी बनेंगे नहीं। सो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल दैट, एंड आई थिंक इट्स विद everybody. I mean, I still find myself lucky because I know people who have ventured with me in the films and I'm
Hmm.
like, I've not done that well. So I look at it that way कि हाँ ठीक है, every year there is something new coming out and something more is happening, you know.
Right, right. So today, from where you look at it, and today in retrospect, if you kind of agar socho, I mean, whatever roles you've done in the past, do you find yourself in a happy space? Push hotu?
A very happy space here. I have a, I'm a very happy family man. So I have a separate life after work when I close shut down. I take it as a job here. Um, there's nothing to complain. I mean, I've wished for bigger and better projects, and that's happening, and it has taken its time. But I'm content in terms of as an actor also because, back in the days when I would uh, struggle to get bigger projects and I wouldn't get it. Now I understand why I didn't get it because I was not equipped with the right qualities that are needed.
People.
Yeah. So as an actor also, because see, acting is a profession which is continuous training. It involves like constantly
Mm.
you're preparing for it, you're getting trained for it, and I think that's what happened with me. As I don't know if you've seen Aarya, but my role of Sangram has been really
I have
appreciated.
seen Arya much before it released. Unfortunately, I mean, I had to kind of review this thing, so I had to
Yeah,
see the film.
so I
I
have
mean,
never
the
gotten
web
such a
series much.
feedback for my acting before Arya. Like it was always like कि अच्छा ऐश्वर्या राय के साथ
Okay.
this guy is coming. Then it was like हसीना पारकर में श्रद्धा कपूर के साथ. So it would always that other
Yes.
celebrity status would always overburden कि अच्छा इसने कुछ किया है. It will be more like okay he's playing the husband of this person that. This one is the first time even though it's Sushmita Sen in the series.
मतलब you're saying कि the other celebrities जो ऐश्वर्या के साथ when you came in सरबजीत उसके बाद सीना पारकर में श्रद्धा कपूर के साथ it used to always be कि ऐश्वर्या राय के साथ ये बंदा है
Yeah, so
श्रद्धा
that
कपूर
would
के
be the
साथ
peg for any PR or the news item कि भाई ये it won't be like कि सरबजीत में इस बंदे ने ये काम किया. It will be like he
Hmm.
played the husband of Aishwarya Rai or he played opposite Shraddha Kapoor. This one is the first time in Aarya, even though there's Sushmita Sen, people talked about Sangram and the review said about Sangram. They said
Yes.
कि this guy, uh, so it was more about the character and the more about the performance rather than who is opposite me, you know.
Hmm.
So and
Right.
बहुत ज्यादा important होता है एक मूवी या ओटीटी पे आप जो शो कर रहे हो वो हिट होना बिकॉज उसका मतलब ये है कि ज्यादा लोगों ने देखा है और
बिल्कुल.
that's how it becomes bigger. Zanjeer didn't do well at all. Sarabjit was a lukewarm response.
Yes.
Hasina Parker didn't do well on the box office. So you can't expect people to give you work when like when they've not seen it.
Right. Absolutely. The fact that nowadays, especially after Sushant Singh Rajput's death, the entire fiasco that's been happening on social media, and the netizens have literally conjured up an entire storm surrounding nepotism and favoritism and all of that. कभी न कभी क्या तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि perhaps you've auditioned for a particular role or you were told that you were good in that particular audition. Later on, you don't really get any call. तुमको कोई call नहीं आता, तुम्हें कोई uh, अप्रोच नहीं करते उसके बाद एंड देन लेटर ऑन यू सी दैट पर्टिकुलर रोल दैट यू ऑडिशन फॉर वो किसी और के पास चला जाता है विद कनेक्शंस हैज इट एवर हैपेंड
यार सी पीछे से मुझे तो नहीं पता लगता कि कनेक्शन की वजह से किसी को गया है कि नहीं एंड आई वुडंट वांट टू टोटली डिस्काउंट द फैक्ट कि दूसरा बंदा भी टैलेंटेड है कई बार क्या होता है कि अभी जैसे नेपोटिज्म की केसेस चल रहा है तो दे हैव जस्ट disregarded the fact that the other person has acting chops also or they have built a good body also. There's a lot of hard work put in into whatever they're doing. Yeah, they're trained in fighting, they're trained in horse riding, they're trained in dancing. So that everything gets totally discounted, discredited, and they're just called "Acha ye is or iska beta hai." Obviously, there are times when it happens ki okay, you have also auditioned for. See, bigger parts, the leading parts are always very extremely difficult. If you see the total number of movies that are made, it's not that many where new people are being launched as the main lead actor. Take it anyone. So, if I've auditioned for it, maybe, I always feel like if I was not selected, I was not right for the part. And maybe I'm not well equipped to dance like that or have a body like that and have put in like 3 years of just training into physical fitness so that my body is like V shape and I'm you know वो जो एक typical star की category होती है इंडिया में it's always difficult to get into and fit into that bill up unless and until they've decided to launch a newcomer and then they're testing everyone and there are a lot of newcomers have from outside the industry have been launched ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं मिला चांस so I mean होता है पर मैं उस चीज को ज्यादा उसमें नहीं लेता
तवज्जो नहीं देते।
नहीं, बिकॉज वो तो मेरे कंट्रोल में ही नहीं है ना, और जो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है उसको मैं क्या करूंगा। मैं अगर रोता रहूं कि भाई नेपोटिज्म है तो वो तो मुझे पहले भी मालूम था जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में घुस रहा था, तो फिर मुझे आना ही नहीं चाहिए।
Absolutely, absolutely. That's a very important thought, actually. A very,
Yeah,
very
and it's
important
in
thought.
every industry यार, it's not, I've worked in Wall Street for
Yes,
7 years,
exactly.
it's there also. आप किसी को जानते होगे तो आप उसको थोड़ा सा तो पॉइंट ज्यादा दे ही दोगे,
बिल्कुल।
आप आपका बॉस अगर फोन करेगा कि यार मेरा बेटा आ रहा है जरा बस प्लीज देख लेना, definitely you'll have a little upper hand on that, but then after all, you know it just depends on how audience takes it. It is just a, किसी को थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लग जाता है, किसी को थोड़ा कम, you know eventually it's just that.
Right. Okay. Before we come to the end of this lovely conversation, Ankur, you got to tell me कि मतलब what are your future plans and what exactly are the projects that you're actually planning to do, and how do you see yourself in the industry in the next few years? If that is not a very management type question.
No, I as I've looked in at my career 5 years back, I'm still looking at like that. Only ki it has to be bigger and better. It has to be more meaningful. Now that now that I understand the craft better, I try to choose parts according to, that will do good for the career as well. So like Aarya happened, now there is Aarya 2 that I've signed, so that will start shooting. I've done a show for Woot, which will come out I think next month. It's called Crackdown, directed by Apoorva Lakhia. Then I have a movie that is about it's completed, dubbed, everything. I think it should come out by the end of year. So I think more and more things will come out, and that's what I want. Yeah. An actor's
Right.
passion is to be in front of camera, and as long as that's happening, it's good.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's right. Okay, even though I said it was
So
my last question,
हाँ
एक
पूछे.
सवाल है मेरे दिमाग में, जहन में आ रहा है, और वो ये है कि when we're talking about your role in Arya, when we're talking about your role in Sarabjit, and definitely there is a marked difference as far as the screen time is concerned and your role is concerned for that matter. The kind of appreciation that you receive by the critics and the audiences alike, as far as these three roles in three different genres are concerned. Uh, Tomorrow, when you kind of do another project and do another role for that matter, do you exactly look or vein on the heaviness of the character? Do you actually vein on the I mean the screen time that you're provided? Yeah, you just have to think about मुझे मिल रहा है मैं कर लेता
यार नहीं, मैं उसका थोड़ा सा elaborate आंसर देता हूँ. सो बेसिकली सी हाउ इट वर्क्स इज, सरबजीत के टाइम पे मेरा नॉलेज प्रोबेबली एक पॉइंट तक था, और मुझे बताया गया कि इसमें ऐश्वर्या राय है, राइट. सो फॉर मी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हु हैज नॉट डन
हूँ.
एनीथिंग बिग, I was like, ki, I should take this project because to share the screen space with someone so experienced, someone so known, is also a learning experience. If you think about it, right? You can't just stand in front of Amitabh Bachchan or Aishwarya Rai or uh, these big stars and just act normal, right? So that was an exercise for me that I actually got in the skin of the character in Sarabjit, and I had to play Aishwarya's husband, but that I realized that okay, that inhibition didn't come in that I'm facing Aishwarya Rai in front of the camera. I was that character. I saw Randeep Huda doing. I did scenes with him, so it was a very learning experience. And then I figured okay कि हाँ कई बार क्या होता है आपको खुद को भी नहीं पता होता कि आपकी क्या क्वालिटीज हैं. जब आप वो कर रहे होते हो तब
बिल्कुल,
आपको समझ होता है हाँ यार ये तो मेरी बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है,
ये मैं कर
इसमें तो मैं
सकता हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा हूँ. सो वहां से वो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बना. हसीना पारकर में इट वाज a different part, but again it was a biopic, so it was a real character. तो उसमें पूरी research लगी, family से मिला इधर उधर. So एक different kind of experience आया. पैथोस की ट्रेनिंग करी कि कैरेक्टर में घुसना कैसे है, वर्कशॉप्स करी. Another level of experience जुड़ गया. अब मैं इस चीज को देखता हूँ जो मैंने अपने तजुर्बे से जिस तरीके से मैंने देखना चालू किया काम को, ये है कि अगर मैं इस कैरेक्टर को निकाल देता हूँ इस प्रोजेक्ट से तो क्या डिफरेंस मेक करता है. अगर तो क्योंकि जंजीर में मैं पूरी मूवी में हूँ, जहां जहां प्रकाश राज है वहां पे मैं हूँ, बट इट डजेंट मैटर अगर आप उस कैरेक्टर को निकाल दो, बिकॉज वो कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा, वो यह है यस सर नो सर कर रहा है, राइट. बट वो पूरी मूवी में तो स्क्रीन टाइम है, संजय दत्त के साथ फाइट सीन है, सब कुछ है, बट इज स्टिल नॉट देयर. यू आर सेइंग कि वो कम था. और कई बार ये होता है कि आप 2 सेकंड 5 सेकंड 2 मिनट के लिए भी आए हो, पर आपने ऐसी चीज करी है उस प्रोजेक्ट में
कि
जो
उस वो पार्ट में ही होगी एग्जैक्टली.
एग्जैक्टली तो अब मैं वैसे देखता हूँ कि मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ता हूँ या अपना सीन पढ़ता हूँ या जो भी है, और फिर सोचता हूँ कि अगर मैं इस कैरेक्टर को निकाल दूँ वो क्या इस पूरी स्क्रिप्ट में
नैरेटिव में कोई डिफरेंस होगा कि नहीं?
कोई डिफरेंस, और अगर वो फिर उससे स्क्रीन टाइम का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। अगर आप आर्या देखो और सिकंदर खेर का रोल देखो तो उसके डायलॉग्स बहुत कम है, बट ही मेक्स अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट इन द शो बिकॉज
Exactly.
you know it's yeah, so that thing matters for me. That's how I choose. I'm looking to choose work moving forward.
Okay. Okay. All right. So with that, we come to the end of this lovely conversation, and I'd also like to state that this was perhaps one of the most heart of hearts conversations that I've had with any actor. And thank you so much, Ankur, for being
Thank you
so
so much. Yeah, it was lovely.
candid, for being so truthful in all your responses. I really hope all your future endeavors really work and they really do good. People really, appreciate your work.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
and I
much.
hope next time we speak, I have a lot more work on my hand to talk about.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
All
So,
right.
with that, we come to the end of this lovely conversation. Thank you so much, Ankush. My name is Sandeep with Hindustan Times Online, DC Martin. Thank you so much.